Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and really white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! you guys for watching the video. I hope that you found the solution or the solutions helpful, and please consider liking the video, commenting down below, or subscribe my channel, or all of them at once. It will help me a lot. See you. Bye.